Hey, we're going to talk about Habitat Application Manager today. The Application Manager is in two parts. The global side, which is the configuration of the automation and the back end of the application management. And then in a secondary video, we're going to cover client management. So this will be two parts. In the global manager, you'll select third-party app management. When you do, you'll get this window right here. This window here provides you a pre-populated list of packages that we've provided for you. You can go in there and tweak these packages, enable and disable them as you see fit, or add new packages in at any time. You can also remove these packages. Let's go ahead and take a look at one of our packages here. It looks like Citrix Server we currently have inactive. So if we right mouse click, we can update this and select active, hit add again, and we'll turn our Citrix servers enabled, which will allow the automation to push this out to customers and clients that you have that are currently enabled for application management. By default, no clients are enabled, so although you have a management service set up here and you've made configuration changes, until you actually go down to the clients and enable each client, they will not be pushed to clients. If you select an application in the list, you'll see over to the right here that it provides you some information. First thing it will do is give you any apps that search affects. So right now, the way the search is currently described, it finds this application as its available apps to update. If we come over here, we can see that we have 6 agents affected by that particular installed app. So we can click on that and see the different agents that app would affect. So if we start an update of that particular product, it will affect one particular software title and 6 different agents within our environment. Keep in mind that these are different clients, and unless we've enabled those clients, updates are not automatically happening. Automation has 2 speeds. So we have a turtle and a rabbit. So you can select between turtle and rabbit. Turtles once a day, rabbits twice or more a day. Scheduled delays is currently allowing us to adjust a delay and different schedulings for scripts as we go along to make sure that agents are running them in a staggered environment. That's pretty much it for managing the applications. You can create searches really easily. Just figure out what you're looking for in software titles and use your % as your wild card to be able to identify particular software packages. You can have them active or non-active, and see who they're going to possibly affect. Very simple service here, very easy to set up. Thank you very much.